Welcome. Today we will learn how to safely use professional banking applications on your personal smartphone. Mobile banking allows you to pay bills, monitor your balance, and transfer money without leaving your comfortable home. You no longer need to stand in long, tiring queues at the crowded bank branch before closing time. To keep your hard-earned money safe, always protect your phone screen with a secure lock code. The easiest and safest way to log in is using your personal fingerprint or modern facial recognition. Rule number 1, never log into your private bank account while connected to public Wi-Fi networks. Public internet in local cafes, parks, or buses is not protected. Thieves can easily intercept your personal data. Always use your personal mobile data connection. Rule number 2, download your official banking application only from trusted, certified app stores. Never click on random text message links that claim your account is blocked. Real banks never send links. Rule number 3, set up low daily transaction limits inside your secure application settings. This protects your funds if your phone is lost. If you ever lose your phone, call your bank hotline immediately from another device to block all access. Share these important safety rules with your friends and neighbors to keep everyone protected. Control your finances with confidence. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.